everyone, it's Cara. Welcome back to the Rambatina channel. So today we have a LoveCrafts haul. So because Daramore's shut down and LoveCrafts now stock the Daramore's own brand yarn, and I had a bunch of Dara points saved up, LoveCrafts sent me a £50 voucher to make up for that. So I bought a few bits for my new knitted blanket. This one, you might have seen it in my latest weekly vlog. And my original plan was to make this super chunky blanket holding 4 strands of DK yarn to use up what I already have in my collection. But I then came up with this concept of using similar colours to create squares for a patchwork colour block blanket. So I really needed some more light green colours and light purple colours. So I thought it was the perfect opportunity to spend my LoveCrafts voucher and buy some DK yarn. And the great thing about this blanket is I am not just using one type of yarn, one brand. It allows me to experiment with all the different brands and try them out for the first time. So I did get a few new DK yarns that I have not tried before. Actually, a few. Why am I saying a few? I think it's literally just one. But yeah, let's go through what I got. And you can also see I purchased some books as well because I really didn't need that much yarn. I didn't need £50 worth of yarn because I already have so much, and I am truly trying to get through my stash. But this project just means I had to buy more, which is so silly. But I managed to pick up 2 books which are super exciting and really, really useful. So let's go through those first, and then we will show you all of the yarns that I picked up. Came in this massive bag. Okay, so I picked up 200 crochet stitches by Sarah Hazel. This one is so thick and comes with so many stitches. Oh, it looks so good, and I love how it's like color coordinated. It's kind of like in a rainbow pattern. Like, this page is so satisfying. Oh, so nice. So yeah, I'll definitely be referring to this book a lot to switch up my crochet stitches and try something new. There's literally a stitch for everything. Ooh. So yeah, really excited to try out some of these stitches. It obviously comes with your basic stitches, but some of these I've not really thought to do. So you've got your front and back loop crochet, and then you can like alternate it, and really cool stuff like that. So yeah, the only problem is that it is using UK abbreviations, so I think at the back it kind of translates it for you, and it can get quite confusing. Yeah, see, we've got the English, American and American abbreviations and the symbols, so yeah, I've got to be mindful of that, because whenever it says a double crochet it actually means single crochet in US terms, so that can get quite confusing, but it's fine. The diagrams are really helpful, and I love the layout of this book, how you've got, you know, the pattern is so clean and simple, where you see the pattern up at the top, then it goes through the steps and includes photos, and then it even has like the diagram, which is nice to refer to. So yeah, I'm super happy with that. 200 crochet stitches. I'm so excited to dive in. And then I also picked up this Modern Guide to Textured Crochet by Lee Satori. So I went for 2 books that are all about different stitches, not necessarily patterns, but stitches, because I think that's really useful to have on my bookshelf as, you know, a reference to go back to when I'm designing projects especially. So this one is super fun because this one, I mean, as the title says, comes with textured crochet stitches, and then the book is even divided into the seasons. So let me find it. So we've got spring, summer, autumn and winter. And I just thought, they've used the word autumn, so is this in UK terminology as well? Ah, I think it is. Yes, this is in UK terms as well, so we'll just have to make lots of notes when using the patterns from these, but that's fine. It's just, yeah, getting used to that. This one also comes with project patterns as well as the textured crochet stitches, so that's really fun too. So yeah, both of these, very happy to add these to my collection. Right, I think I'll start with the purple colours because this is the new yarn that I was going on about in the introduction, the DK yarn that I have not tried yet, and I have heard so much about paint box yarns. I'm sure all of you know what paint box yarns are, or you've definitely heard of them. I had never picked up some before, so this is my first time using it and it feels so lovely. And these colours are stunning. These colours really remind me of that knitted scarf I recently made, that's funny. So this is the Paint Box Yarns Simply DK, 100 grams and 100% acrylic, 3 lightweight DK. And this is in the colour 142. Yeah, I found my email receipt so I can give you the shade name, the colour names as well as the number. So this 142 is the colour Tea Rose, really nice pinky purple light shade. And then this one is 145, which is pale lilac. So really nice light purple shades. Those will look so nice for this knitted blanket. Let me put those to the side there. Oh, how many yards? Or 276 meters, 302 yards in that. And there's all the information on the label there. So yeah, love those. And then we got 3 more purple shades. We've got some Deramos Studio Anti-Pilling DK, 100 grams. This is 100% acrylic, 250 meters or 273 yards approximately. Yeah, you know this. I've bought this before, and I wanted to get the purple. That looks super nice. The colours aren't going to look too different, but that is what I was going for. And then I picked up a LoveCrafts special double knit, and this is, oh, I didn't say what colour. This one is lavender. This one is also called Lavender from LoveCrafts. This is 100 grams again, and this is premium acrylic, approximately 295 meters to 322 yards. Yeah, so these are all DK weight, so they're all going to be roughly around the same, and I picked up all 100 gram balls, so yeah, it's all roughly going to be the same. And then this is LoveCrafts special double knit as well, and this is in the colour Proper Purple, which is super nice. I needed to pick up a darker purple, well, more of a medium to dark purple. It's showing up quite blue on the camera, but it is proper purple in real life. So then the green colours, picked up quite a lot of Hayfield bonus DK. I've got a lot of this in my collection as well. And these come in so many colours, so Hayfield bonus DK is very reliable for getting every single shade you want. So this is the bonus DK extra value, 100 grams again, 100% acrylic, 280 meters approximately, or 306 yards. And this is in the shade Gentle Jade, this first one. Very nice, like a medium minty colour. And then we've got one shade lighter here. This is in the colour Pistachio. Very nice. And then these are more yellowy greens. So this one is in the shade Apple. It's a really light, pale yellowy green. And then this one is like a shade darker and a bit more vibrant, a bit more saturated. This is in the colour Lime, but it's still really nice and light. And then I picked up 2 more greens. King Cole, price-wise, double knitting, again 100 grams, 100% acrylic. These are, yeah, roughly the same, 320 yards or 290 meters, and this is in the shade Avocado. So again, it's very similar to these pale yellowy green colours. And then the last one is a bit darker. I think I thought this was a bit lighter, but that's okay. We can definitely use it in the blanket. This is in the colour Grass. So yeah, that is everything I ordered from LoveCrafts. Really happy with this order, and I'm so excited to get cracking on with my knitted blanket because I've had to put it on pause to wait for this yarn to arrive, and now we can move on to the light green square. So yeah, and I will be vlogging that so you can see the process of me doing that. Oh, I should also mention links to all of this will be in the description box below. It will be an affiliate link, so if you purchase through that link it helps out me and my channel. And yeah, that is all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you're having a lovely day, happy crocheting or knitting, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!